Slovenia is a beautiful small country. It is the only country with the word love in it. The Alps and the Mediterranean meet and intertwine across Slovenia in less than 300 kilometers. You cannot find it anywhere else in the world. It is one of the safest countries in the world with a high standard of living and friendly people. Slovenia is also among the top 25 richest, healthiest and happiest countries in the world.
Maribor is the second largest city in Slovenia. It is wonderfully nestled in the embrace of Pohorja Mountains on one side and the picturesque wine-growing hills on the other. The city is located by the Drava River, and in its center grows the oldest, over 450 years old, wine in the world.
Visitors describe people in Maribor as joyful, friendly, optimistic, kind, warm and straightforward. DOBA Business School is located in the city center of Maribor.
We are living in time of fast and unpredictable changes. They are not only influencing our business, but also our lives. At the DOBA Business School, we are aware of these changes and we do our best to follow them. But not only this, we are doing a lot of effort to shape them in the field of teaching, learning and research.
Courses have been shaped through the cooperation of teachers and practicing experts and are updated every year to be in line with current and future business trends. Visiting national and international experts contribute to the enrichment of the programs.
The teachers at DOBA Business School are practicing professionals and they update their courses each year. During their studies, students prepare practical solutions to the challenges provided by companies. Students develop entrepreneurial spirit during their studies. We help them recognize opportunities, think creatively and critically. Furthermore, we offer unique holistic support to students as they are accompanied by teachers, online tutors and program managers, while technical support is also available.
All study programs of DOBA Business School are accredited, and with 1,100 students, we are the biggest private business school in Slovenia.
I was drawn to the blended learning approach offered by DOBA Business School, as it offers the best solution for both worlds, traditional and online. In traditional study mode, you attend lectures, while in online study mode, you set your own pace.
The fact that students come from different countries allows us to gain experiences and knowledge of different cultures.